Are you looking for drywall repair or drywall finishing services in Rock Hill, South Carolina, or the York County area? Well, you've come to the right place. Rock Hill Drywall Repair is the name of our company that provides drywall repair services in York County. Hi, my name is Matthew Smith from Rock Hill Drywall Repair. Rock Hill Drywall Repair is our family-owned, friendly, and operated drywall repair company serving Rock Hill, South Carolina, as well as York County in its entirety. That includes Rock Hill, Fort Mill, Tega Cay, and all other included areas around, such as Indianland and Lancaster, and including York, South Carolina. Here at Rock Hill Drywall Repair, we understand the best way to find the right drywall contractor is to understand that not all drywall contractors and drywall repair craftsmen are alike. With our reputation and years of experience, we guarantee that you will have the best experience with your home repairs. A drywall contractor can help with a variety of drywall needs that can be stressful and anxious at times. We provide the best experience. Professional and affordable drywall repair and installation of your home or business. We believe in quality care. Each and every customer is important to us, and we do this by putting quality first every single time with every single job, no matter how large or how small. You can be sure that we are the professionals in this field, and we take care to assist anyone with their drywall needs. If you're a homeowner looking for drywall repair, reach out. We'll come and give you a free, no-hassle estimate on any type of ceiling repairs, corner bead repairs, drywall finishing needs, or even framing out new walls. At Rock Hill Drywall Repair, we get it done right the first time, so you don't have to keep calling and you don't have to worry about unsightly patches or poor repair jobs. We look forward to reaching to you. We look forward to working together with our local customers here in Rock Hill. To reach out to our company, Rock Hill Drywall Repair, you can call us at 803-877-6671, or you can mail us at 2136 Summers Gln, Rock Hill, South Carolina, 29732, or visit our website to fill out our contact form for a free, no-hassle quote at www.rockhilldrywallrepair.com. Don't forget to visit our Google business profile page under the name Rock Hill Drywall Repair. The link is in the description below. Need help with drywall repair or want home improvement tips and tricks? Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. We plan on releasing professional drywall repair tips and video walkthroughs for homeowners and businesses just like you. Again, our company is called Rock Hill Drywall Repair for a reason. So if you live in Rock Hill, South Carolina, or anywhere else in York County and you need your ceiling or walls, trim, corner bead, or soffits repaired at your home or business, give us a call. We also do drywall finishing, framing, and professional exterior and interior painting. So don't wait. Give Rock Hill Drywall Repair in Rock Hill, South Carolina a call today.